Our world is changing and solar power is going to be the future. That's why it makes sense that we need to change our habits as well. Efficiency will help us conserve energy, reduce costs, and live a healthier lifestyle. But how do you get efficient? You have to think outside of your box. The answer may be as simple as installing a simple device in your backyard. The solar switch is a groundbreaking new technology that allows us to collect 10 times more power in only 10% of the area. It replicates the sophisticated light harvesting mechanisms found in plants and animals, allowing us to restore our planet's sustainability. There is no longer any excuse not to be environmentally friendly with the solar switch. Solar Switch is a revolutionary step-by-step tutorial that will show you how to generate your clean solar power. Solar Switch eliminates the need to spend a large amount of money on a pre-assembled solar power system. Brian Kay's concept has intrigued many around the world since he first published his findings. The brain behind the solar switch technology has big plans for the future. The device that he calls a game changer, Brian Kay, claims that anyone can follow it regardless of experience or training. The pros: the solar switch is a step-by-step guide that will show you how to generate your clean solar power. Customers no longer need to spend a lot of money on a pre-made solar energy system. The solar switch is an online course that covers everything from choosing the right equipment to installation and maintenance. There is no need to have an advanced degree in electrical engineering or computer science to understand this product. This means anyone can build their own solar panels without spending too much money or having special knowledge. It is available for purchase on the Solar Switch website. If you are interested in learning more about solar energy, or if you are ready to take the plunge into using solar energy, then the Solar Switch is the perfect product for you. The Solar Switch is a great way to get started with solar energy without spending too much money. It is easy to follow and doesn't require any special knowledge or training. Anyone can use this system regardless of experience or location. The Solar Switch offers a lot of benefits, including affordability, easy-to-follow instructions, simplicity, durability, versatility, location independence, environmental friendliness, low maintenance, and long-lasting. Many states offer tax incentives for people who switch to solar energy, which can help reduce the cost of installing. The Solar Switch is amazing. It saves people tons of money by allowing them to build their solar power systems at home rather than having to buy an already made one online or in store. This product can be used by beginners or experts because everything is laid out step by step so no prior knowledge is needed. And if any changes are made in the future, Brian Kay, the creator, has guaranteed that all customers will be updated for free. So whether you're looking to save money or learn about solar energy, Solar Switch is a perfect choice.